Good morning, everybody. Today it's another beautiful day here in Washington, and I'm ready for breakfast, guys. The hotel that I'm in today, it called Pentagon Hotel or Hotel Pentagon, either. That's the name of the hotel. So the hotel cost me $125 for a night, that including tax and breakfast. It's not a bad deal, but again, it's a little away from the city, but that's what you can get because in the city, it just, like I said in the other video, it's more than $200 or up. So again, the hotel in a different condition, but I'm here for a night, and we'll go out and explore and see what do they offer for breakfast. And let's check it out, guys. This is a quick look of the room. We got two beds here, but again, I use only one because I'm on my own. And this is the outside shot, right straight, guys. So that's what it looked like. And like I said earlier, it's like a 3-4 building right next to each other. So the reception in one building, and then you gotta walk to another. This is the outside view right in front of my room that I stayed last night. And it's a beautiful, nice morning, guys. It's so refreshing. And that's last there. That's the building that we're gonna go and have a breakfast. It's like a 2 minute walk. So last night when I arrived, I parked car way down there. I didn't know that I'm gonna end up in this last room. So what I will do after a breakfast, I'm gonna bring car closer to the room. That way I put everything and ready for the day. Show you around here in DC. But today also it's a great day. It's nice. It's not hot. It's not cold. So that is the main entrance for the hotel. Morning. Good morning. Here is the breakfast setup, guys. You get fresh apple, yogurt, milk, and of course fresh juice. On the other hand, you get bread, also cupcake and stuff. Here in the end, you can make your own waffle. So let's get a fresh juice.
Todas las dos, porque tienes que internet todas las dos.
It's pretty crowded, actually. A lot of people. And of course, because they got those three buildings, and this is the only setup for the breakfast. So, and it's like 3 different buildings, and so a lot of people living in it. So the breakfast start from 6 to 9, and now it's 9:30, so 8:30. Sorry. So it's the last hour of breakfast. That egg is delicious. There you go. Go ahead. You go ahead.
I'm getting for 2.
Yeah, no problem.
Setting off for both of us. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. This is my second plate, folks, and the food is really delicious. Plus, I got a long day ahead. Bad in a way because you spend all of that money, you think that it's gonna work, but it doesn't work. And then putting all the accessories, it come with a price. So.
Yeah. I have the Hero 7 Silver, and the audio on it is decent, but it's not the best.
It's not. If you're vlogging or what I'm doing right now, you definitely need a good audio because it won't work. So that was the second plate. I was hungry, so and the egg was delicious. 9 o'clock sharp. They're closing the door, so you know, just to make sure, guys, if you guys want to have a breakfast, then be on time because later than 9, everything's shut. You don't get anything. That's pretty much in every hotel the same. All right, no coffee. That's what happened, guys. 9 o'clock, everything closed. All right, let's go out. So I'm gonna go and take my car close to the room. It's a bit far away. Okay. All right, guys. So no coffee today, but that's okay. On the way back, I will stop somewhere and get a big cup of coffee. But the breakfast was nice, but it was crowded. But 9 o'clock they close. So if you're late, then you know they shut everything down. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakfast tour, and I love doing this. It's just so much fun to communicate and show you guys around. You know, show what different hotel offers. So thank you, guys. I will end the video here. I'm gonna go back to the room, load my stuff, and head out, guys. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.